Hello everyone. Now I will show you the product of our group from manufacturing. We made a silicone cable holder with a polypropylene bottom to help support it.
Oh, my desk is so messy. There are wires everywhere, chargers, laptop cables, and earphones all tangled together. Every time I need something, I waste time searching through the mess. I keep cleaning it, but the wires always end up messy again. Are you tired of messy wires everywhere? Keep your desk neat, organized, and clutter-free with this simple solution. No more tangled cables or messy setups, just a cleaner, more comfortable workspace. Introducing the Cable Organizer, the simple way to keep your desk neat, organized, and clutter-free. No more tangled wires, just a cleaner and more comfortable workspace. Hello everyone! Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating our final project, a cable organizer. This is an exploded view of the product design, used to show the individual components and how they are assembled together. This CAD assembly model shows the overall structure of the product and how each component fits together during assembly. We used resin 3D printing to create prototype components with detailed geometry. The aluminum component was manufactured using CNC milling for precise dimensions and surface finish. Injection molding is a manufacturing process where plastic material, in this case PP, is heated until it becomes molten and soft. The melted plastic is then injected into a mold cavity under pressure to form a specific shape. After cooling and solidifying, the molded part is removed from the mold and can be used as a component of the final product. This process is widely used in manufacturing because it allows products to be produced with high precision, consistent dimensions, and good surface quality. It is also efficient for creating detailed shapes and repeatable components. In our project, injection molding was used to manufacture parts of the product with consistent dimensions and shape. This process helped improve the precision, durability, and overall quality of the final product while also making the production process more efficient. These are the molded prototype components produced during the injection molding and casting process. This is a two-part silicone mold used to form the prototype component during the casting process. In this stage, silicone rubber was prepared for the molding process. First, the silicone material was extracted using a syringe to ensure a more accurate and controlled measurement. After that, the silicone was transferred into a mixing cup before adding the blue catalyst, which acts as a curing agent. The catalyst is important because it initiates the chemical reaction that allows the silicone to harden and form the final mold structure. Both materials were mixed carefully to achieve a uniform consistency and to avoid defects such as air bubbles or uneven curing. Proper mixing is a very important step in the manufacturing process because the quality of the silicone mold directly affects the accuracy and surface finish of the final molded component. Once the mixing process was completed, the silicone material became ready for the casting and molding stage. The prepared silicone material was poured into the mold cavity to form the desired component geometry. After the curing process, the molded component was carefully removed from the silicone mold. After the material finished curing, the mold was carefully opened to remove the final molded component. After demolding, the component underwent a finishing process to improve the surface quality and final appearance. In this final stage, we performed the finishing process by cleaning and refining the molded component. We removed excess material and improved the surface quality to achieve a cleaner and more polished final product. Through this project, we gained hands-on experience in manufacturing, material preparation, and prototype development. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you guys.
Thank you,
Bye.
bye.